Hi everyone, my name is Radhe and welcome to SITech. In this course, we are going to learn complete JavaScript from basic level to advanced level. And I promise you, this course will be beneficial for you because in this course, I'll explain all the topics step by step with example. Now, in this first lecture, we are going to learn Introduction to JavaScript. So, let's get started. Let us first talk about what is JavaScript. JavaScript is a programming language commonly used by web developers to add dynamic interaction to web page, application, server, and even games. Wait a second. You must be thinking that we have heard about language, but what do you mean by programming language? The programming language is just like a language like English, Hindi, Nepali, etc. The only difference is that because of this language, we are able to talk to each other and we understand to each other. As I speak English and you understand. If I speak some other language, you probably won't understand. So this language keeps us connected to each other because of languages like English, Hindi, Nepal, etc. Similarly, many languages has been created for computers as you may have heard like C, C++, Java, Python, etc. These are the languages we use to talk to computer because computer do not understand our language. If I ask the computer to do some work in English or Hindi, then the computer won't understand anything. As you can see in this slide, I have given instruction to the computer in JavaScript or given some code for its input to print JavaScript. And this instruction is being understood by computer. And the computer is printing JavaScript. As you can see the output. The computer has printed the JavaScript. If I write in English language, then the computer is not giving any output because computer does not understand English language. That's why the computer did not give any output. Now let's try this example live to see whether it's working or not. So I'm going to open Chrome web browser. Then right click and open the inspect as you can see. And here you can see there is a console. So now I'm going to open the console. This is the console where you can write JavaScript code. Now I'm writing the JavaScript code that you saw in slide. So I'm writing console.log and within the inverted comma I'm writing JavaScript and then press enter. Here you can see that the output is as follows as print JavaScript because this browser understands JavaScript programming language. If I do this same work in English language, then this browser will not understand. Let's check this also. So I'm writing JavaScript in the console and then press enter. And here you can see that this browser did not understand and it gave an error. It means that computer do not understand our language. That's why a separate language has been created for computer like C, C++, Java, Python, etc. One of these is JavaScript, which we are going to learn from basic level to advanced level in this course. Now let's talk about what is JavaScript and what does JavaScript do in the tech world. JavaScript is a scripting language that enables you to create dynamically, updating content, control multimedia, animate image, etc. JavaScript is a text-based programming language used both on client side and server side that allow you to make web page interactive, where HTML and CSS are languages that give structure and style to web page. JavaScript gives web page interactive element that engage a user. You can see in this image, a web page is divided into 3 stages. In this first stage, we create a structure and layout of web page, and we use HTML to create a structure and layout of the web page. You can see that in this first stage, there is only the structure and layout of the web page. In the second stage, we make the web page colorful and stylish. And to make the web page colorful and stylish, we use CSS. And you can see in the second stage, the web page is looking stylish and colorful. And this is the third stage in which we make the web page interactive. They provide logic and functionality within a web page. And we use JavaScript to provide logic and functionality within the web page. Be it any application or website or server, even games. In all of them, JavaScript works to provide logic and functionality. If we give an example of a human being, then our bone or body structure is example of HTML. And our skin is someone's white, someone's black, is what makes us look beautiful. So this is example of CSS. And our brain, which gives us the ability to talk or make us do something. So this is the example of JavaScript. Please subscribe this channel and like this video. If you have any suggestion, then please comment to me. Thank you for watching this video.